Bring it back.
What is up, guys? Cydia today coming to you with another video, and I'm here to share you some news about the iOS Gods application called Cydia. So guys, Cydia is now available on the Mac. So basically, if you are having issues installing Cydia on the Mac, now you are able to install it on Mac because now it is available on Mac. So guys, let's go here on the website real quick and then just show you that it is actually available. So guys, they actually launched Cydia on the Mac OS. So if you guys are Mac users, now you can basically use it to install applications, and let's go here and check it out how it looks like or something like that, if they're gonna even show it. So now when you keep scrolling down, you're gonna be able to find the Mac version of the Cydia, and yeah, basically that is it. So guys, this is actually obviously like an early version, so don't worry about it. If you encounter anything, just report it or something like that. And in order to report that, all you gotta do is keep scrolling down until you find where it says reply to this topic, and you will be able to say whatever issue you encountered. And yeah, like I said, beta, it means that it hasn't been on Mac yet, so you guys are basically gonna be the beta testers or something like that. I don't even know, but Windows is fine now, but at the beginning when Cydia launched, it was a bit fuzzy. It wasn't working that good, and yeah. So if you guys want Cydia on macOS, and please calm down and install that motor circuit because you might need it. And yeah, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. Cydia said it's signing off.
In the squad, I've been making more videos than I thought. I've been tweeting every single week, every day. Every day has been the hardest for me, but I keep going. Yeah, keep going. Every time I go in, I try to quit, but I can't, because I'm all about it. I cannot stop about it. I love YouTube. I make YouTube my thing. I cannot stop and can't. No, yeah.